Hello and welcome to this short video on basic classification, classify images of clothing using TensorFlow. I am Chiyadev Bhattacharya, a Master of Artificial Intelligence student at MUN in my second semester, and I'm submitting this video as part of my coursework, that is assignment 4 for Comp 6915 Machine Learning. So without further ado, let's head over to Google Colab. And here the entire tutorial is present along with the two topics that are assigned to me based on the last two digits of my student ID. So firstly, I will run the entire code and make sure that the entire tutorial runs. So basically we can see that it is now running, and the most time that it will take is just for downloading the data, and after that it will just go over and train the model. So which has started right now, but this will take some time, so I'll pause the video right now. Now here we can see that the last epoch has completed and it is now running. So yeah, it's quite fast. So basically you can see all the images being plotted in real time, and right here it has already ended. So we can see that the entire tutorial has run properly. So I will now move on to the two assigned tasks, which are number one, pre-process images to get the pixel values between 0 and 1, and number two, change the number of units in a layer of the network. So as for the first part, it is already done, because without that we won't be able to actually properly classify the images. So right here, if you see that before pre-processing, we can see that train images data. It shows the data as 0, 225 to 16. So basically value ranging from 0 to 255. But right here, if we see that the train images, the entire array of images have been divided by 255, basically the highest value for the pixel. So by dividing them, we can actually scale them down to 0 and 1. So right after the pre-processing step, it is zeros and 0.05, 0.28. So basically, it has just taken the values that were there and then divided by 255, basically scaling them down literally to 0 and 1. So this is how we can actually pre-process the images to have values from 0 and 1. Now, secondly, to change the number of units, so where the model was actually built. So right here, I have actually done that. So what I'll do, I'll just uncomment this line out and just place it right there like so, and then just train the model and run everything from here. So once the model has been compiled, we can again fit the model, which is basically training the model. And as you can see, it will start its epochs right now. And since it's running right now, so I will again pause the video and will resume it once done. And currently we can see that the accuracy was around 88.2. So with around 512 hidden units, so basically it might increase a bit. So basically we can see it's almost going to finish. Epoch 9 is running, and then we will have the Epoch 10, and then after that we will be able to see if it had any difference on the test accuracy, but hopefully it will do. So just a few seconds right there, maybe around 5 to 10. And let's test out the model. Yeah, so it gave now 0.8859, so basically a 0.3% increase in accuracy. So that's what we get by just doubling the number of units. Now this is very much specific to this specific set of data. Now it's not always the case for everything, so by increasing the number of units we might get a significant boost as well, or might not even get any boost at all. But this is how I can just change the number of units in the hidden layer, that is basically between the input and the last output layer, the hidden layer, which I can just change, which was basically my second assigned task. And with this I would like to conclude my video, and thank you for watching.